our government, our partners, and the community to provide safe, conducive, and inspiring spaces for learning. And that is a testament that when we invest in education, we invest in the dreams of our children. One that recognizes education as the strongest foundation for progress and the brightest hope of our future. That's why we believe in the mission of our Secretary, the Honorable San Angara, and the Secretary as well of DPWH. Nakita ninyo yung mga pagbabago ngayon, napapabilis ang pag-construct ng mga school buildings natin. And truly, yan kada munisipyo may grant ng mga budget kung may kaulangan na school building, aton mga local chief executives can actually request direct to the Office of the Secretary. Magkakamay-ada na yung mga memorandum of agreement or understanding and then supplementation para maabrehan ang mga pangangailangan sa mga respective municipalities. Of course, my strongest reminder would be iwasan hanggat maaari ang i-vandalize ang ating mga classrooms. Pagbantay ko ka musikon kaya nakakaraot sa imahe sa aton eskwelahan. Okay? Of course, as we have blessed, as Father have blessed this building today, we also entrust it to the care of this community. And may it be filled with knowledge, discipline, and purpose. May it stand strong for generations, shaping our future leaders, innovators, and responsible citizens.